Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a landing page with Leadpages detailed guide step by step clearly. To start building a landing page with Leadpages, navigate to the Leadpages website.
Sign into your account or create a new one if you don't have it yet.
Once logged in, click on the Create New Landing Page button. You'll be presented with various templates to choose from. Browse through the templates and select one that fits your campaign objective. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the editor interface. On the left side, you'll see options for elements you can add to your page.
You can add text blocks, images, forms, buttons, and more. To edit any element, simply click on it within the template. Modify the text by double-clicking it, and a text editor will appear. Adjust font size, style, and color as needed to match your branding.
To change images, click on the image placeholder and upload your desired image. You can also select images from the library provided by Leadpages.
If you wish to add a form, drag the form element from the sidebar onto your page.
Configure the form settings by clicking on it, and then accessing the Form Settings option. You can customize the fields, connect it to your email service provider, and set up notifications.
Next, let's set up your page layout.
Use the grid lines to align your elements neatly for a polished look.
Try adding sections to break up content and make it more digestible. Utilize the Add Section feature to insert new areas as needed. With your elements in place, check for responsive design by clicking the mobile icon.
This allows you to see how your landing page looks on mobile devices. Make necessary adjustments to ensure it's user-friendly on all devices.
Once satisfied with the design, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. You'll then choose your domain settings for the landing page. Decide whether to publish it on a custom domain, subdomain, or use a Leadpages domain.
After setting your domain, click Save to finalize the settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.